Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Describe a person you know who has chosen a career in the medical field. Example, a doctor. A nurse, you should say who he/she is, what he/she does, why he/she chose this career, and explain how you feel about him/her. A lot of people choose medical stream as they want to join health sector and serve the humanity. This sector is in demand as there is dearth of health professionals, whereas the industry has a lot of demand. My cousin, named Sarah, is a doctor by profession. She has been employed in the medical field for more than 5 years, and I greatly respect her. Sarah has always been interested about helping people, which is why she selected this line of work. She had always shown a keen interest in biology and medicine, even as little children. She was adamant about studying medical after high school because she wanted to actually improve people's lives. She selected pediatrics primarily because she enjoys working with kids and thinks all kids should have the finest care available, especially when they're unwell. She has done her MEBS from Government Medical College situated in Amritsar, and now doing her job very well. In addition to being a committed nurse, Sarah is also a kind and diligent person. She works as a pediatrician in a large hospital in my city, where she treats young patients, especially those who are really sick. Sarah's duties as a nurse include giving patients medications, keeping an eye on their health, and offering emotional support to the kids and their families. Despite her long and tough shifts and early start to the day, she consistently maintains her motivation and cheerful attitude. She worked under difficult circumstances, particularly during the epidemic when hospitals were overcrowded, but she never once voiced a complaint about the strain. I'm quite proud of Sarah for pursuing such a good career. She is a woman of passion and selflessness that I admire. She works long hours in a stressful atmosphere, which is not easy, but she does it with kindness and grace. Her choice of job has not only improved the lives of her patients, but it has also made me value the work that medical professionals do. I think that individuals such as Sarah are the backbone of our society, and I greatly admire her. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this sample answer helpful and that it gives you some ideas on how to approach this cue card topic. Remember, the key to doing well in the IELTS speaking exam is practice. So try to practice speaking on different topics as much as you can. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more IELTS tips and sample answers. Also, if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your IELTS preparation.